Hello students, we'll see in this video what is that pure function. I will explain this pure function, that is pure function means object state will not be changed. Object state means that its argument or the variable. It means its argument. Object state means its argument and variable will not be changed. Now what is the mean this basically the state depends on the object object state, or we can also say that state depends on the properties means a variable, or we can also say that the attribute, like means state totally depends on the properties or attribute, we can say that. Now just suppose if we will pass same argument, then it will return same value, it will not be changed. Means if I will pass in any method, if I will pass some value, pass the values, or pass as an argument any value, any variable, if I will pass in the same variable, means in the same method, if I will pass same variable many number of time, it will not give any, it will return the same value and it will not be changed. Now we'll see this we will see this with the help of one program, then it is much clear to you. As you can see here, which is given in your page number 236. So here you can see I have created one class named pure function. Now here one method is of int type method, public int pure x and y, means this is what the argument. Now here this is this is not the void keyword, it's int, so it will return the value. Now suppose if if it is given, if x is greater than 3, then return x, or else if it is less than 4, then the value will return in y, and else if it will not be anything, means if the condition will be incorrect, then it returns zero value, means at least one value. Now here you can see, here main method is, I have created one main method like public void main, and after that it is after that you can see int a equals to 4 and b equals to 3. At the time of the function call, this is the function call, pure function is called in the main method. In the main function it is called as an argument, means here it is here you can pass, or here you can, if you have passed the value, means a comma b. As you can see here I have passed x and y, but here at the time of the function call it passes another variable a comma y, means another argument it is passing. It means what? At the function calling or invoking that passes the value a to x and b to y, means at the time of the function call the pure function values of a will be passed to value of a will pass to x and b value to y, means at the time of the function call the value of a will be passed to x and value of b will be passed to 6. Through these two variables, the value which is kept in a variable and b variable, this value will be passed to x and y at the time of the function call. It means what over here, in like this, if you means here it is changed, here where here I have passed x and y as an argument, but at the time of the function call I have changed the variable, I have changed the argument, but it will not affect to the function, it will not affect anywhere in the program. And after changing or after calling the function, pure function, we can easily return one value, which is we can easily display the message on the output screen. I hope now next we'll see this how it is executing, means I will execute this program with using void main method I will call. Now it is asked if the value of r after function call 4. Now if I will change, now if I will, just a second, if I will change if I will call, instead of main method, if I will call some other function, like one more time I will execute. Now here if I will, instead of the void function, if I will call int pure method, if I will call it, then it will ask the value from the user, that is 2, any value you can write, 2 and 4. Then what it is written, let's see. Here it is written 4, because here when I will open that fold, that why it is written here 4, because of here, because as you can see it written 4. Why? Because as you can see it over here, 4 is greater, if the condition is satisfied, 4 is greater than c. Yes, if the x value 4 is greater than c, so it returns the value of x, means that is why it shows on the output screen 4. So 4 is returned over here. I hope this video is helpful for you. This is the method, means this is what the pure means, the matter is what, the basic thing is what over here in this pure function, means at the time of the function call, if you will change any variable, means if you will change the argument while function call, then it will not affect it will not affect its previous argument, means it will not affect it will not change it will not affect while it will call in the function, means it is what it means, what this method, this function, this function or this method is a pure function, means it will not affect anywhere in the program. At the time of the calling, this pure function is called in the main method, and it is given here some other argument like a, b, c, d. Previously I have given x and y. Just a second, I think, yes, previously I have given here x and y over here, but at the time of the function call I have changed the argument, but it will not affect anywhere in the program. It means it's a pure function. It means this is what a pure function. I hope this video is helpful for you. So thank you.